Hi there! This video is here to help you with comparing decimals. First of all, let's recap the symbols and language that we use when we are comparing numbers. When we're comparing numbers, we use the greater than, less than, and equals symbols. When we compare decimals, we can use a place value chart to help. We must remember to compare the value of each of the digits in the numbers, not the number of digits they each have. Let's compare the numbers 3.2 and 3.12. When we compare numbers, we start with the place value column that has the highest value. That is the digit that is the furthest to the left. In this case, the ones column. The value of the ones digit in both numbers is 3. So we need to compare the value of the digits in the next greatest column, the tenths column. The top number has 2 tenths and the bottom number only has 1 tenth, so the bottom number is smaller. Therefore, in this instance, we don't need to look at the digits in the hundredths column. We can write this in a number statement as 3.2 is greater than 3.12. Or we could write it as 3.12 is less than 3.2. Now it's your turn. Pause here and write a number statement to compare the numbers 6.84 and 6.4. If we compare the digits in the ones column, we can see that both numbers have 6 ones. So we need to compare the value of the digits in the tenths column. The top number has 8 tenths and the bottom number has 4 tenths. So the top number is the greater number. We could write this in a number statement as 6.84 is greater than 6.4 or 6.4 is less than 6.84. Can you identify the mistakes that have been made? Pause here and have a go. Did you find all the mistakes? 3.6 is greater than 3.56, so A is incorrect. 4.08 is less than 4.8, so B is correct. 0.63 is greater than 0.36, so C is incorrect. 0.12 is less than 0.21, so D is also incorrect. 5.7 is less than 5.75, so E is correct. 2.09 is less than 2.90, so F is incorrect. I hope this has helped you to understand how to compare decimals. If you are looking for more maths help, we have got lots of these videos on the Twinkl website, so make sure to check them out. Thank you for watching.